Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use Klarna on eBay. Now this is a very simple and easy thing to do, so make sure you watch this video right the way to the end so that you don't miss any steps. So the first thing you actually want to do is go ahead and open the Klarna app, and this is because you can't actually see it on the Klarna website. I did have a look and try for myself, and for some reason it's only available on the app, so you want to just open up the Klarna app. And once you open it up, you should be on this first page, which is called Shop. And you should be able to see the search bar as well. So we're just going to click on that to search. And we want to just type in eBay and click go. Now from here, we will see eBay as this top result. And we just want to click on that button that says website in order to be taken to eBay's website. Now from here, we can just shop and choose whatever product we like. So if we had a certain product in mind, we could just search it in here. However, if you just wanted to browse, you can come down to this bit. You could just choose any of these products. So let's say I wanted to buy this laptop. I can click on it, and here we can actually see all about it. So before you actually buy it, it is important to make sure you do want to buy it. So you want to read about it, don't rush into it, learn all the details about it and figure out if it's the right thing for you. However, if you're sure it is and you do want to buy it with Klarna, what you have to do is go down here and just choose buy it now. You can then log into your account if you want, or continue as a guest. So now we're at the checkout. What we have to do is first put in our delivery address. So we'll have to fill in all those details first, and then after that we'll be taken to payment. So in order to actually pay with Klarna, because there's no inbuilt Klarna button, what we will have to do is we will have to create a one-time card. So if we head into the bottom left corner, we can click that pay button and we can read a bit about this. So it says create a one-time card and apply the card at eBay checkout. So in order to pay, we will have to create a one-time card. So we can click this button and we can actually fill in these details and confirm in order to actually claim our one-time card. So once we have done it, when we get down to the payment bit, you can just enter in the card details like you would any other card. And then after you confirm and pay, you will have successfully placed that order on eBay with Klarna, and you'll then have to repay your Klarna after that. So that's how you can use Klarna on eBay. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.